Several Red Cross volunteers spent their morning installing smoke alarms in homes in Chicago's Little Village neighborhood. Teams went door-to-door partnering with the Hispanic Caucus Institute. 5 teams went door-to-door partnering with the Hispanic Caucus Institute. The Red Cross says having a smoke detector is such a small thing but can have a big impact on your safety. And one team member has this message for you: make sure your home has one.
It saves lives. There are over 8 people a day in the United States who die in home fires. 8 people a day who die in home fires. It's such a preventable thing that we can do. It's probably the best insurance that you can ever buy. You can buy a smoke alarm at your local hardware store for less than 2 or 3 coffees.
The Red Cross also says that when you change your clocks back tonight, don't forget that, it is a great time to check the batteries in your smoke detector. If you don't have a smoke detector, you can contact the Red Cross for help.